Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly unbox and set up your Epson Expression Home XP-4200 for printing, copying, and wireless scanning. The complete process takes a little time, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. First, take the printer, power cord, ink cartridges, and documents out of the box. After that, remove all tape, plastic, cardboard, and protective material from the outside of the printer. Next, lift the scanner unit and carefully remove any protective material from inside. Keep in mind, do not touch the flat white cable because it is a sensitive part. Once everything has been removed, close the scanner unit. Lift it slightly, lower it until it catches, lift it slightly again, and then lower it completely. Now, connect the power cord to the back of the printer and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Do not connect the USB cable to your computer yet. After that, raise the control panel and press the power button. Wait for the printer's screen to turn on. Use the arrow buttons to select your preferred language and then press OK. When the Epson Smart Panel Setup option appears, select Continue Setup without the app and press OK. Now it's time to install the ink cartridges. Lift the scanner unit until it locks into place. Gently shake only the black cartridge before opening it. Do not shake the other cartridges. Next, remove the cartridges from their packages and peel off only the yellow tape. Do not remove any other seals and avoid touching the green chip or ink outlet. Match each cartridge with the correct color slot. Place the cartridge into its holder and press it down until you hear a click. Install all 4 cartridges in the same way. Once this is done, make sure every cartridge is sitting evenly and securely. Now, close the scanner unit using the same lift and lower method. After that, confirm on the printer screen that the cartridges have been installed and press OK. The printer will now begin charging the ink. This process may take a few minutes, and you may hear some mechanical sounds, which is completely normal. Keep in mind, do not switch off the printer, unplug it, or open the scanner unit while the ink is charging. Once the charging process is complete, the printer will ask you to load paper and adjust the print quality. Open the rear feeder guard, raise the paper support, and slide the edge guides outward. Next, load at least 3 sheets of letter size or A4 plain paper into the rear tray. Make sure the printable side is facing up and the short edge goes into the printer first. After that, slide the guides gently against the paper, close the feeder guard, and pull out the front output tray. Now, confirm the paper size and paper type on the printer screen. The printer will then ask you if you want to adjust the print quality. You can do it later, but completing it now will help improve your print results. Select the adjustment option and press Print. Once the adjustment page comes out, check the printed patterns and select the clearest one on the printer screen. The printer may print a few more pages. Each time, choose the pattern with the best alignment and no visible gaps or overlapping lines. Once the adjustment is complete, return to the home screen. Your printer is now ready for basic copying. To test it, place a document face down on the scanner glass, close the lid, select Copy, and press the black or color Start button. Next, let's connect the printer to Wi-Fi. From the home screen, open Settings, select Network Settings, and then choose Wi-Fi Setup. After that, select Wi-Fi Recommended, start Setup, and then Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. The printer will search for nearby networks. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the correct password, and confirm it. Take your time while entering the password because uppercase and lowercase letters must be entered correctly. Once the printer connects successfully, a Wi-Fi symbol will appear on the screen. Now you can connect the printer to your smartphone. Download the Epson Smart Panel app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure your phone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app and allow the required permissions. The app should automatically find your Epson XP-4200. If it does not appear, tap the plus icon and select the option to connect to a printer already using Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can check ink levels, print documents and photos, scan pages, and access maintenance settings from your phone. To test wireless printing, select a document or photo inside the app, check the printing settings, and tap Print. After that, place a document on the scanner glass, select Scan in the app, and save the scanned page to your phone. Now, to connect the printer to a computer, make sure your computer is connected to the internet and keep the USB cable disconnected. Open your browser and visit epson.com/support/XP4200. Download and run the latest Epson software package. Next, follow the instructions on the screen. When the connection option appears, choose wireless connection or direct USB connection. For wireless setup, make sure the computer and printer are connected to the same network. For USB setup, connect the cable only when the installer asks you to do so. Once the installation is complete, print a test page and perform a test scan to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, your Epson Expression Home XP-4200 is fully set up and ready for printing, scanning, and copying. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more printer setup and troubleshooting videos. For independent assistance with Epson XP-4200 installation, contact our support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.